So our next topic is mouse. So mouse is the most commonly used input and pointing device that lets you select and move items on the screen. It usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel. A single click on the left mouse button is used to select an object, while double clicking on an icon open the application. The right click often displays a context menu that contains list of command. You can also access property settings and various other settings with the and various other options with the right click. You can easily move an item from one location to another by using drag and drop action of the mouse. Mouse is also used in drawing programs to draw freehand lines, circles, boxes and other images. So let us understand this whole topic, what mouse is all about. So mouse is the most commonly used pointing device rather than joystick, touchpad, or you can say trackball. So apart from this, mouse is the most commonly used pointing device. There are various functions of the mouse. With the when we are double clicking the left click of the mouse, that means we are opening any file or folder. So when we are right clicking with the help of mouse, we are getting a small menu bar option on that. When we right click with the help of right button on the mouse. So there are different kinds of functions we can do with the help of mouse, and with the scroll button we can move the page up and down with the help of scroll button present on the mouse, or we can say scroll wheel also. So these are the various examples, or these are the various important use of the mouse. So let us see in the next slide what are the types of mouse. Mechanical mouse. The first one is mechanical mouse. The mechanical mouse as a rolling rubber ball under the case of the mouse. The movement of the pointer is controlled by the ball. That means mechanical mouse, when we are using mechanical mouse, in that mechanical mouse, there under the mouse there is a small rubber type mechanism. Whenever we move the whole mouse, whenever we move the body of the mouse, that means even the cursor, or you can say even the mechanical ball present under the mouse will also move. When that ball makes a movement, there will be a movement of the cursor on the screen. Next one is optomechanical mouse. It works similar to a mechanical mouse but uses optical sensors to detect motion of the ball. That means it is similar to the mechanical mouse, but it uses optical sensors to detect the motion of the ball. Whenever the user is moving the mouse from one position to another, these sensor will detect the position of the ball and move the cursor on the screen. The next one is optical mouse, which we are using in our day-to-day life. The optical mouse uses laser to control the movement of the pointer. It does not have a ball. You can see the light by tilting the mouse. Optical mouse is the modern mouse which you are using in today's era. That means this mouse does not contain any ball under the mouse. It contains only laser light. With the help of that laser light, the cursor keeps on changing the position whenever we move the mouse. Okay, so the next topic is common mouse actions. The first one is click or left click. It is used to select an item. Place the mouse pointer on the item to be selected, then press the left mouse button once with your index finger. The desired item gets selected. That means click or left click is whenever if we want to select any file or folder on the screen, so what we have to do, just move the cursor and keep the cursor on that particular file or folder, and with the help of mouse, just whenever I am saying single click, that means only left button of the mouse you have to use. With the help of that button, left button, whenever you click on any file or folder, that will be selected. Next one is double click. It is used to start a program, open a file or trigger an action. As I have told you earlier, means if you are double clicking on any file or folder, it will open that file, or if you are clicking on any movie, if you are double clicking on any movie, that movie will start playing on Windows Media Player or VLC Media Player, whatever the application software that is installed in your system. Next one, right click. It is used to display the context menu or properties. Move the mouse pointer to the desired position and press the right button of the mouse. The context menu will open. Suppose if you want to refresh the system, so what you will do on the desktop, with the help of mouse, you will click right click button from the mouse. After clicking right click button on the mouse or with the help of mouse, the small context menu will open. On that there will be an option of refresh you'll click on that refresh button. And if you want to create a new folder, then also what we have to do, we have to right click on the desktop, and you will get a context menu. On that the context menu, there will be option of right click, there will be option of new folder. Next one, drag and drop. Suppose if you what is this drag and drop? Suppose if you want to copy anything from your system to pen drive, so what you will do, the basic option, what we are trying, that we have to click on the file or folder which you want to copy, then right click, then there will be option of copy, and we have to open pen drive option from the my computer, and then we have to right click, and there will be option of paste. So this is the traditional method what we are following. But with the help of drag and drop method, what we will do, we'll just click on that file or folder which we want to transfer it to the pen drive. Just click and drag it to just click that file or folder and drag into the pen drive folder, so that that particular file or folder will be copied from your system to the pen drive. Scroll. You can use the scroll wheel on the mouse to move the page up and down instead of using the page up and page down keys. With the help of scroll key present on the mouse in between left and right key, or you can say tire also. So with the help of that scroll wheel, you can move the pages up and down. Next, selecting or blocking. Blocking is another way of selecting text. It is used to select text that needs to be edited or formatted. Click on the beginning of the word or sentence and hold down the left mouse button and drag along the text. That means if you want to select the whole paragraph or some line, so what we are doing, with the help of mouse, we are clicking on the first line of the paragraph, then that whole line will be selected, and editing part will be applied only to the selected part. So mouse is also used to select text or a word or the whole paragraph in the document.